It fixed it. We're gonna try to fix this remote. I think I have a hardware issue. If you see, it will not go to the left. And usually what happens, I'm trying this on a couple different Apple TVs, is it scrolls all the way to the right and then down to the bottom, which it's not doing it on this Apple TV, but it was doing it on that Apple TV. And also the pad's not working. Have tried all the resets, trying it on different things. I think I have a hardware issue. This isn't really a software issue. You know, did all the resets and everything. So let's try to... I think the issue is with this part right here. So we need to get it out. So you need to find some kind of thin piece of plastic. I actually just used a cup. I just got lucky, found this thin piece of plastic in my trash. This was a cup from Take It. And what we gotta do is get it underneath here and pry. I'm gonna try this first. I'm hoping this one works. Yep, and it seems to be going underneath. I'm just not sure it's gonna be thick enough to... Yeah, it's not strong enough. So what we got here is all my little like picking tools, plastic, just looking for like the thinnest thing I think I could find. That one's pretty thin. I guess my last resort would be these picking tools, because this is not working. I'm gonna try to use this to sort of hook it underneath. That's not gonna work. Since this thing's already broken, I think I'm just gonna try one of these picks now. Now this is a paddle. This is like something I got, so maybe this will work. There we go. And I ripped off the whole thing, which is probably not good. Let's see, this is what it looks like inside. And what I'm gonna do is grab those brushes. I'm gonna try to clean out in here. Let's try to see if there's any damage to this. There's not much in here. Let me get some air, compressed air. Do a little blow off this. And I'm just gonna basically put this thing back together. So you gotta plug this in right there. I'm sure that's pretty, so you can see that's plugged in there, inside. I hope you can see that. I'm just gonna push it in with this plastic piece. Now let's just pop this back in. I'll be honest, that feels pretty terrible. Oh, there it is, okay. All right, so you have to pop it, keep pushing it all in the center, everything until it clicks. Hear that? All right, now let's go see. Somehow put Bluey back on. What? Oh, it fixed it. That was it. I think what happened is that little clip in there came off, and maybe just pulling it off and putting it back together. It works, I don't know. I can't believe that worked. I thought I totally destroyed this remote. I do have definitely some damage there, but I really don't care because this is like a $60 remote. I didn't want to go out and buy another one, but I figured I'd try to fix it first. I hope this helped you. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. Please leave me a comment down below if this helps you out. Please like this video, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Mike, and I'm out.